Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tutorial. My name is Stephanie and I'm the creative behind my prints collection. On today's tutorial we are going to learn how to create this double drop shadow effect. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I will be posting a new tutorial every Tuesday. So without further ado, let's move into the tutorial and learn how to create this cool effect. So let's open the Procreate app, add a new canvas. Let's go with the screen size. I already have the project ready, so I'm gonna click on this one. And we are gonna add a double shadow effect to a word that I really like, which is coffee. Let's turn the word that I want to do and add a layer. I'm gonna color this layer with blue. And then I'm gonna draw my word by using a monoline brush. You can use any brush that you want. So I'm gonna quickly draw the word coffee. And there you go, the word is ready. Now we are gonna add that double drop effect. So first of all, I wanna transform this lettering into, I wanna actually add some 3D effect. So I'm gonna go over here, duplicate it, click on select, gonna choose another color so I know what I'm doing. Go back to my layer, click select, and then click fill layer. I'm gonna add it underneath a black one. Click on the adjustment and Gaussian blur, actually motion blur, and I wanna add a 3D effect that way. So I'm gonna click like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna change the color of this one to yellow. Let's work with a yellow. Select, fill layer, and then with the layer that we've created, that effect, that blurry effect, let's go to that layer, click on black, go back to the layer, click on select, and then with a brush, could be a monoline, increase the size, and I'm gonna color this. So let me increase the size, so this is good, like this. Okay. Now we are gonna take that layer, add it underneath. This one. Gonna hit the selection tool and I'm gonna place it. See this corner over here? I want to place it really on the corner over here, and this is quickly how you can create that 3D effect of your lettering, but I want to add a little bit more to it. So on the black layer, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select and I'm gonna choose another color. Let's go with a green to see if it works. Select, fill layer. So now you have this cool effect. So I like how this 3D effect is turning out, but let's add some more to it. Let's add more to it. So select brush. I'm gonna choose a darker green. Gonna go to my brush library. Let's go to the airbrush, this one. Let's add some texture to it, like a darker green to make that shadow effect. So like this. So now that we've created this 3D effect, I want to add a shadow. So let's go back to my layers. I'm going to use the yellow one. I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to hit on select. I have the black color selected and I'm going to click on fill layer. I'm going to drag my layer under my green one. And then I'm gonna move it a little bit over here and hit the motion blur. Going this way, hit select and adjust my shadow over here, and then I'm gonna reduce the opacity around 50%. It depends on your background. And what we've created a 3D effect, and then we added some shadows. So we created a double drop shadow effect.
If you like this tutorial or if you want to see other ones like this, make sure to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel. See you soon and happy drills!